community here in the REMADE Institute not only has extensive experience in recycling, circularity, etc., but also offers obviously grant opportunities that are very helpful and critical for rapidly scaling startups like us.
The whole value chain is somehow or other represented here, and I think that's quite unique for a conference. I'm used to going to academic conferences, so this is a nice hybrid of you could say, the deep academic knowledge, but also the applied knowledge in society. I think that's a real unique aspect about the REMADE conference.
If you can take a little bit from each one of these different industries and find out, here's something that's working in plastics, can we apply that to metals? Can we apply that to a completely different industry? And it basically makes it so that all of our insights, they're not siloed. You have exposure, and it reframes the problem in the field that you're working in.
The folks here are really at the leading edge of figuring out how do we make repairable, long-lasting products for the future? How do we repurpose old materials and make them new again? This is an exciting time to be here.
The poster session at the REMADE conference was a very interesting experience for me. I got to see a lot of different academic level projects where people are trying to enact this philosophy of recirculating old materials or used materials back into the marketplace.
I think that the interconnectedness is a really important aspect of recycling. So just being able to talk about how plastic recycling relates to textile recycling and announcing that to people, especially that are in this space, it's having the right conversations happen.
The conference has such a diverse range of topics and tracks. It really gets you thinking about the topics that you personally are involved in, and then it creates these green shoots of things that you start thinking about that you're not working on yet, but have great business applicability.